Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
You can use comparison criteria in the QBE section of the Query Design view in order to search for criteria values that are not necessarily equal to a value. By using comparison operators, Access can expand its repertoire of query criteria to pull records that are greater than or less than a specified criteria value. You can enter these criteria into the criteria row in the QBE grid under the column by which you wish to filter. So you can use the following comparison symbols when creating query criteria. You can have the greater than symbol, the greater than or equal to symbol, less than symbol, less than or equal to, equals, or the less than followed by the greater than symbol, which means does not equal. So to use a comparison operator with the query criteria, open up the query in Design View. In the criteria row, type the comparison operator and the value to compare underneath the field by which you wish to compare the value. Now when you are entering your query criteria, if you're making reference to a text value, note that it should be enclosed in double quotes to work. Date values must be enclosed in pound signs to work, and references to other table fields must be enclosed in brackets to work. So for example, assume that you had a start date, date time data type field in the QBE grid of a query. Let's also assume that you wanted to find any employee who had a start date value that was on or after January 1st, 2010. To write the comparison criteria in this case, under the start date column, in the criteria row, you would enter greater than, equal, pound sign, 1/1/2010, pound sign. That would be your comparison criteria. This will match the date values in the start date column against the date value of 1/1/2010, and then display any records where that value was greater than or equal to 1/1/2010.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.